Not only are we opening our first day of school with our largest enrollment ever, but we are also able to participate in a truly transformative project and the opening of the Howley Commons. Today we will bless and dedicate this space that will forevermore be a legacy and a testament to the Howley family generosity.
I had 2 kids go here, and I think it did them and did us very well. It helped teach them to be good learners and decent people.
The biggest thing about this place is that it brings us together. It's a place to be community, where you can work here, you can chat here, you can break bread here, all together. This is a very important place for Gilmour as community, as family, as home.
It's so hard to adequately express my appreciation to this wonderful family, to these wonderful alums.
Couldn't be happier with the outcome. We give it over to you today.
The only way that you can significantly impact and materially change people's lives is education. We run a foundation that primarily focuses on giving high-quality educational opportunities to those that can't afford it. We look for schools that have very strong credentials and an element of character formation. We think Gilmour is unique in that.
So as our enrollment has grown, it became impossible for us to come together in large numbers. And so now we all get to come together, in just 3 lunch periods. Our teachers will be eating with our students again. They'll be able to build on the sense of family, the sense of community that Holy Cross fosters.
Food is always important. And when we try to do lunches. We like to have people sit down together to eat and to talk. And that's a common denominator that always brings people together.
And the Commons is the center place of Gilmour. I mean, it's where kids meet, it's where kids interact, it's where kids do homework. This is a perfect meeting ground for schools.
Right.
Having this big space, you're able to see everyone together and everyone's able to talk to each other during the middle of the day, which is kind of cool to see.
I think this would be very helpful for the Gilmour community because students can come here and gather. They can study together or do homework here if they need to.
There's a lot of great teachers, most of them super easy and going. If you need help, they'll give you help.
Well, it's so large, there's definitely opportunities to connect with new people, maybe sit with a new person at lunch and learn more about other people.
Through the generations, as I've gone to weddings and baptisms and first communions of students I've taught, I see that generational respect for family and for community and for Holy Cross.
I'm an alum, and Gilmour was a wonderful place for me, and I really enjoyed my time here. As with my sister, I'm a Lancer for life, and we want to support Gilmour.
Last year, it was my first year. I was really shy and I didn't really have any friends, but the people here are really nice and they're inclusive, so it's really easy to make friends here.
I started here thinking I wouldn't make that many friends and just kind of take time to get used to, but I adjusted very quickly.
I have loved this school. I've met so many amazing people. The teachers have really just taught me so much.
We see the education of their heart, of their character, as important as educating their minds. Our kids learn a lot here. They go on to colleges and they're successful. They go into the community as adults and they are successful. But most importantly, they're good people.
Since I've been here, I've made a lot more friends and I've experienced what it'll be like in high school now, so I'm ready and prepared.
I've been here 15 years. Gilmour's done so much for me. I love it here. This is a great example of just how big the community is and how welcoming everyone is. Everyone talks to each other. Everyone's yelling right now. It's a good time.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Thank you.
1, 2, 3.